Good morning to everyone. My name is Ramesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Soundariya Institute of Management and Science. Now I am going to explain Quantitative Analysis for Business Decision 1. Unit number 4, Measures of Dispersion. Topic is Quantitative Deviation and Mean Deviation. Last class we studied Quantitative Deviation. Now we are going to study Mean Deviation. Here we are going to study mean deviation, definition, formulas, and then merits and demerits of mean deviation. First, what is the definition of mean deviation? Here the definition says the range and quantile deviations are not based on all observations because they are all positional measures of dispersion. Here we are going to study mean deviation. It shows that scatter of observations from an average. The mean deviation is measure of dispersion based on all items in a distribution. Now the definition says is the arithmetic of the definition of a series computed from any measures of central tendency, that is mean, median and mode. All the deviations are taken as positive, that is sign is ignored. Suppose if you get a negative sign, you can consider as positive. Then coefficient of mean deviation. Mean deviation calculated by any measure of central tendency, that is an absolute measure. Then relative measure we can find out. For the purpose of comparing variation among different series, a relative mean deviation is required. For that, the relative mean deviation is obtained by dividing the mean deviation by the average. For mean deviation formula is the coefficient of mean deviation for individual series summation d divided by n. For discrete and continuous series of observation summation f d divided by n. Coefficient of mean deviation will come mean deviation equal to mean deviation divided by mean or median or mode. This is the way the formula will be used for the mean deviation, all the three different types of data or observations. Now we are going to see next part, the merits and demerits. We are going to study first one, merits. It is simple to understand and easy to compute. It is rigidly defined. It is based on all items of the series. It is not much affected by the fluctuation of sampling. It is less affected by the extreme items. In range and quantile deviation, we have seen that range will be affected by extreme values. Quantile deviation is a positional values. So that mean deviation will be helpful for more extreme values. It is flexible because it can be calculated from any average. Because of that, absolute values will get, from that we are going to find out mean deviation. It is better measure of comparison. This is one of the better measure of comparison whatever we studied so far, like range, quantile deviation. Compared to that, this will be the one of the best method to solve the problems. Demerits. It is not very accurate because it is a positional value which you are going to be find, that is sign will be ignored. That is the way it is not very accurate measures of dispersion. It is not suitable for further mathematical calculation. We are not using that much in the mean deviation in further statistical analysis. It is rarely used. It is not as popular as standard deviation. Standard deviation we are going to study in the next part. So, comparatively, standard deviation, mean deviation is not that much popular. Algebraic positive and negative signs are ignored because sometimes values will come negative, but we will not be considered in this place. Negative will be considered as positive. It is mathematically unsound or illogical. So as per the mathematical concept, this is not correct. That's the reason we are facing this problem for mean deviation. Now we are going to study three different types of data. One is individual series of observation, second one is discrete series of observation, third one is continuous series of observation. Again, I will remember you whatever we studied in third unit, measures of central tendency, same logical, same method we are going to be applied here. So together we are going to study mean deviation, standard deviations, okay, whatever we studied there in the previous unit, same mean, median and mode. Again we are going to study in this part. This series is called as individual series of observation. This series we are going to study first mean deviation from mean. So we know that the individual series of observation is given. We know the formula, summation x divided by n. Sum of all the values we will get 238. Look at that. Formula is summation x divided by n. Sum of this 26, 46, 56, 45, 19, 22, 24. So total is 238. Number of values 7. 238 divided by 7, we will get 34. So mean value is 34. Why you are finding mean? Mean deviation we are finding through mean. So we need to be find out capital D represent x minus x mean value. Mean value here is 34. So we need to subtract 26 minus 34 equal to minus 8. 46 minus 34 equal to 12. 56 minus 34 equal to 22. 45 minus 34 equal to 11. 19 minus 34 equal to minus 15. 22 minus 34 equal to minus 12. 24 minus 34 equal to minus 10. We know already your sign will not be considered. If we get in the negative sign, we will make it as positive sign. That is the important one. Your D values are positive or negative is getting. All the values will be considered as positive only. That is the speciality of the mean deviation, capital D. Now we are going to find out absolute value of D, that is modulus D. Negative value become minus 8 become plus 8, 12 become 12, 22 become 22, 11 become 11, minus 15 will become plus 15, minus 12 equal to 12, minus 10 equal to 12, minus 10 equal to, the total of this value is 90 will come. In that 90, we are going to use mean deviation formula. Summation D divided by n. Summation D here 90 divided by 7. We will get 12.857. This is called mean deviation. So along with that, coefficient of mean deviation, we are taken mean deviation from mean. So we are considered as mean deviation divided by mean. So substitute, we will get 12.857 divided by 34 equal to 0.3781. This is the way individual series of observation will find out mean deviation. Here mean deviation from mean. Next one mean deviation from median. Then next mean deviation from mode. So all the three method and three different types, 9 problems we are going to study. Next one is the mean deviation from median and its coefficient. The given values 11, 6, 6, 12, 12, 7, 7, 9 is given. So this one we need to be find out mean deviation from median. So we know very well here we need to be find out ascending order because median we are applying. Median whenever it comes, we need to write first the given values in the ascending order format. Similarly, in quantitative deviation also we have done in the same concept. So here median we are using, so we are going to find a ascending order. Then we need to find out median. Median in formula is n by 2th term because n is here even. So n value, how many values are there? 8 values. 8 divided by 2, it is a fourth term. So fourth term of the given series is 7. Therefore median equal to 7. Now we find out deviations. Deviations means capital letter D. Now the given values is written in the x, then D will be written as x minus m, that is median. 6 minus 7 minus 1, 6 minus 7 minus 1, 7 minus 7 0, 7 minus 7 0, 9 minus 7 2, 11 minus 7 4, 12 minus 7 5, 12 minus 7 equal to 5. So this negative and positive value will be written as only positive values. 1 minus 1 become 1, minus 1 become 1, 0 0, 2 become 2, 4 become. Here we need to remember negative value is considered as positive value, remaining all positive value as it is will be written. Total of D value is 18. We know the formula of mean deviation, summation D divided by N. Summation D is 18, N will be 8, number of values is 8 here, so will be used 2.25 mean deviation. Coefficient of mean deviation is mean deviation divided by median because we are following median formula. So substitute 2.25 divided by 8. Coefficient of mean deviation is 0.28125. Here one more thing you need to remember. Coefficient of any measures of dispersion will come less than 1. Some cases equal to 1. Okay, that is a 1. In this way we can find out mean deviation from median. Next one, mean deviation from mode. However the question is asking, you need to be follow according to that. All the three methods no need to do. Each method they are asking, you get to write. If it is not they are asking the particular method, we can solve any one of the method whichever we are familiar. Mean deviation from mode. This problem we are going to see. Problem is here 44, 50, 38, 96, 42, 47, 49, 46, 50. Here we are going to find mean deviation from mode. Mode, what is the formula? Maximum number of times. Here maximum number of times which number is repeated? Here is 50 is only the number twice repeated. So we are taken as mode is 50. Then x will be written in this vertical format, and then D will be considered as x minus mode, that is z. 44 minus 50 minus 6, 50 minus 50 is 0, 38 minus 50 12, 96 minus 50 46, 42 minus 50 minus 8, 47 minus 50 minus 3, 40 minus 50 minus 10, 39 minus 50 equal to minus 11, 46 minus 50 equal to minus 4, 50 minus 50 equal to 0. So this positive and negative value will be considered as only positive value in the next column. D 6, 0, 12, 46, 8, 3, 10, 11, 4. So total of this D equal to 100. So mean deviation equal to summation D divided by N. 100 divided by how many values are given? 10 values. So we will get as 10. Mean deviation is 10. Now coefficient of mean deviation. We are consider from mean deviation from mode. So we will be considered as mode values. So coefficient of mean deviation equal to mean deviation divided by mode. Mean deviation value 10. Mode value 50. So we will get as 10 by 50.2. This is the way individual observation will be founded. Mean deviation from mean, median, mode. All the three methods I explained. Next one we are going to study discrete series of observation. Here also the same way mean deviation will be finding mean deviation from mean deviation from median, mean deviation from mode. Each one different problems I explained. mean deviation from mean. So given problem in this format will be as it is, we'll know that will be written as vertical form. We are going to study here how to find mean. So we will be written in the form 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 3, 4, 8, 12, 7, 2. So capital N equal to sum of frequency 36. So mean formula we know very well, summation fx divided by capital N. So summation fx is your 650 divided by 36. How do you find your f into x will be find out 18, we are getting 18.05, we will be get it as approximately this value. How do you find out? 3 into 15, 45, 10 into 4, 40, 8 into 15, 120, 12 into 20, 240, 7 into 25, 175, 2 into 30, 60. Sum of all the values 650. 650 divided by 36 is 80.055. Approximately will be close to 18. So we consider as 18. Then deviation we need to find out. Deviation equal to x minus x bar. Here we are finding through mean. So 5 minus 18 minus 13, 10 minus 18 minus 8, 15 minus 18 minus 3, 20 minus 18 2, 25 minus 18 7, 30 minus 18 12. Then we will find out the value of modulus d, that is absolute value. Negative sign will be removed and will be written as positive. 13, 8, 3, 2, 7, 12. Here the formula is summation fx need to be find. So f and d will be multiplied. 3 into 13, 39, 4 into 8, 32, 3 into 8, 24, 12 into 2, 24, 7 into 7, 49, 2 into 12, 24, totally 192. This is summation f into modulus d. So mean deviation formula, summation f into d divided by n. 192 divided by capital N, 36. 5.33. This is called mean deviation. So this is mean deviation from mean. So we will use the coefficient of mean deviation equal to mean deviation divided by mean. Then we can follow that. 5.333 divided by 18. Simplify, we'll get coefficient of mean deviation 0.2962. This is the mean deviation finding through mean. Now we are going to study mean deviation from median. Here, another problem we are going to be explained, mean deviation from median. How to find? We know very well median how to find. We studied in the previous unit. Same way we are going to apply. So the problem will be considered. So 8, 12, 20, 25, 30, 40 of x value, f value 9, 16, 28, 46, 20, 10. So solution will be mean deviation from median. The given set of values will be written in the vertical form. Total frequency 9 plus 16 plus 28 plus 46 plus 20 plus 10 equal to 129. We know mean formula on median you need to find. Here when you want to find median, you need to find first cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency, first frequency of 9 will be written as it is. Next frequencies will be added continuously. 16 plus 9, 25, 28 plus 25, 53, 46 plus 53, 99, 20 plus 99, 119, 10 plus 119, 129. This is the way cumulative frequency will be finding. Now median formula for discrete series. Median equal to n plus 1 divided by 2th term. n here 129 plus 1 term. So 130 divided by 2. So we'll get as 65. 65 lies between 53 and 99. In that, maximum value is 99. For that x value, that is called median. So median we know very well. Based on that, we are going to take deviation. X values minus median will get deviation. 8 minus 25 minus 17. 12 minus 25 minus 13. 20 minus 25 minus 5. 25 minus 25 0. 30 minus 20. 30 minus 25 5. 40 minus 25 15. Then absolute value of deviation. Negative value is removed and will be written as positive value. 17, 13, 5, 0, 5, 15. Then F into D. F is frequency, D is modulus T or absolute value of D or deviation. 9 into 17, 153. 16 into 13, 208. 28 into 5, 140. 46 into 0, 0. 20 into 5, 100. 10 into 15, 150. So total of summation F into D equal to 751. Mean deviation equal to summation F into D by N. Summation F into D equal to 751 divided by 120. Then mean deviation equal to 5.8217. After finding mean deviation, we need to find out coefficient of mean deviation. Mean deviation divided by median. Mean deviation value is 5.8217. Median value is 25. So simplify, we will get coefficient of mean deviation equal to 0.23286. In this way, we can able to find out mean deviation and coefficient of mean deviation for discrete series of observation. Problem. So mean deviation from mode will be writing. So vertical form will be written. Frequency total will be considered. It is equal to 16. Here we know that mode equal to maximum value. Mode equal to maximum frequency of the value. So here maximum frequency is 21. For that x value is 16. So mean mode equal to 16. Then mode value got it, then you can find out 4 minus 16 equal to minus 12, 7 minus 16 equal to minus 9, 11 minus 16 equal to minus 5, 16 minus 16 equal to 0, 25 minus 16 equal to 9. Then will be considered as negative values will become positive value 12, 9, 5, 0, 9. Then F into D, that is a formula of mean deviation. So 3 into 12, 36, 9 into 9, 81, 14 into 5, 70, 21 into 0, 0, 13 into 9 equal to 117. Then summation of F and D equal to 274. Then will be written as formula, mean deviation formula, summation F into D divided by N. Here summation F into D equal to 274 divided by N 60. Simplify this value 4.566. This is mean deviation. Then coefficient of mean deviation divided by mode. So substitute the value 4.5666 divided by 16 will get us coefficient of mean deviation value 0.2854. In this way we can able to find out discrete series of observation mean deviation from mode. This is the way we can able to find out any calculation mistakes or any other simplification mistakes is there. Please consider concept. If you understand according to that, you can go ahead. Any errors is there, please let me know that what is the error it will happen. Remaining concepts are correct. We will see in the next video. Thank you for watching my videos.